What is up, Go Fam? Back with another. What is up, Go Fam? Back with another video. Right now I'm at my mom's crib and all that, and I got a new bike. Nah, I only bought the bike from my Uncle Lawrence. One, so he can save up for a dirt bike. Two, cause I need the forks. Nah, I ain't gonna tell you all that. But I need some parts off of it. Nah, this one probably be. Nah. I'll probably. Nah. I don't know if I'm gonna make it this whole video. But yeah, I need some parts off of this. You see the gray C100 over there. Chill. Some fire coming with that thing real soon. But look at my girl Harley. Hey Harley Jill. Hey Harley. Hello my Harley girl. My Harley girl. But yeah, so I just got new maxes for the C100 also, so I'm trying to put them on. And if you know me, I don't even know how to fix a flat for real, so I'm trying to put these tires on now. Let's see if I can put them on. Remember last time I made the video of putting one on, and I did it. So let's see if I can do it today. I don't even got an air pump though, so I can't even. Let me see my girl hard. I got the one side on though, but I need to get both sides on. Yes, sirski. And I don't even got an air pump here. No, I just said that. I'm tripping. Alright. I think this how it should go, right? Keeps like pinching my energy. Let's see. I'm gonna try to do this all around. Yeah, I think that sounds good. What? I know how to change the inner tube. I know how to take a wheel off. And it's a brand new Maxxis. This part not going on. Let's see. Let's go. Stop playing with me. Some light. Yes, sirski. Oh, stop playing. This one looks skinny as ever though, don't it? Looks like a fixie joint. They got no air in it, that's why. Hopefully it's on right though too. Probably not. Hopefully. But yes, sirski. So I do want to take the Black Ops apart right now, but I don't got Allen keys here. Tweet's not next door. Sire not next door, so I can't even. Unreal. I should have brought the Allen keys with me. But yeah, something coming soon with the C100. That joint gonna be crazy, no kizzy here. But yeah, this is my new bike though. Black Ops thing. I'm gonna do something with this too. I ain't just on take the forks off. Damn, I keep saying that. But I'm gonna still do something with this though. I ain't just gonna let it. And it needs new cranks also. Them joints done. But I got some cranks to put on there. But I'm gonna probably make this bike a bit different to Black Ops. I should make it a fixie. That's what I should do. But with different. Something different, cause I can't really tell you how what. Yeah, I just can't tell you, just like that. But yeah, I need some Allen keys. Oh yeah, so I finally found one Allen key doing a little rusty and all that. So I'm about to take these off real quick. Them joints rusty as ever, but I'm about to take the forks, handlebars, and stem off. I'm about to take them off real quick, and yeah. Then I'm gonna just do the rest at my house, I guess. I'm gonna just make this the full vlog. I'm about to turn this into something like a fast forward. Yeah, I'm gonna show you when I get home no more. Like the front, so you'll see soon. But I'm about to take this ish off. So let's go. Took it all apart now. Ooh, chill. Now I'm about to go home and then I'm gonna put the whole bike together. Y'all finna see what it's finna look like. Let's go. What is up, Go Fam? Just got home working on the bike a little bit. You see the dogs and all that. Hello, my puppies. You see the C100 tank chair. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie though, I forgot some stuff at my mom's house, so I can't even really do the full bike right now. But yeah, I'm about to pump the tire up. Let's see if I actually fixed it or not, cause well, let's see if I actually put the tire and tube on right. Make sure I ain't pinch anything. Well, I couldn't have pinched it, but let's still see. So I got this Walmart air pump, but visual, dude. Look, that your name on pumping. The flip. Look, what the it's pumping though, but that joint doo-doo. Ooh. Oh my God, look at this thing. Look, I don't even dig. New cassette, axle, all that. Look at this. Well, I'm about to throw the pegs on there, throw the seat on there real quick. I forgot all the spacers at my mom's house, so that can't even go on. But look at this thing. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go though. I'm about to throw the pegs on and the seat on. Oh yeah, and I need to put a disc on, because there ain't no disc on there. They're brand new rims. I had to get a whole new hub and all that, so I can get the pegs and all that. Little Shimano thing. Shout out to Transport Cycles for this also. But let's go. I'm about to throw the pegs and seat on while my girl cook up and all that. What you cooking up? What you cooking up? No, I need to show y'all the salmon when it's done. That thing be bossing them cap. But it got little broccoli, little mashed potatoes, things about to be going on and all that. But oh yeah, look what my dog did to the wall. Nah, fuck that, I ain't even gonna shoot him. I'm still over there working and all that, but whew. Little made mashed potatoes things. Look at the salmon, man. Ooh, chill out. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Chill out. Chill out, chill out. But I had to take the disc from the MQ, because the front one on the C2 was stripped, so I just took that disc. But now I'm trying to get the rim on, and I'm finna throw the pegs on. Got the OWC seat on there, you know the vibes. But I will do a video on how to install pegs on your rail bike. But this video gotta get at least 1,500 likes, and I'll do a video on that. So get this to 1,500 likes, and I'll do a video on that. No cap, here. Look at the bolt that goes on it though. Something different, but hold on, I'm about to put the pegs on. I'm about to show y'all real quick. It's a little hard though. You gotta do this to the tool, put tissue in it so it can even get to the bolt. I probably need more tissue than that. I definitely need more tissue than that. Let's see that. This will be drawing sometimes. Hopefully it's on the axle. Watch. Pull it out. Still up in there. This was terrible about this. I need to turn this fucking TV off. Hold up. Had to put more tissue in there so it can be closer up, so hopefully this gets going out. Oh, I think it is. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. Come on. Right up in that thing. Let's go. It's on now. I gotta do that on. It's usually way harder. I ain't gonna cap, but that thing was easy. Ooh. Yes, sir. My seat not tilted or anything, but that's cool. Look at this ting. I'm gonna get a sticker over that, John. We got the quick release rim. I didn't even know they worked on regular forks, but yep, they do. Oh, you see this ting? You like that ting? Huh? Huh? Like that thing? Alright, come on, now make the plates. Come on. Come on. I'm hungry. Come on. Is that me? What's up, bro? I was mad at you when I was trying to fix my bike. I'm sorry, bro. I go, Cat, when I be trying to fix my bike because I don't know how to fix anything. So I be trying to learn. But then they be in the way. So they just be tripping. But I got it done. You see the vibes. Yes, sirski. Ooh, chill out, chill out, chill out. Wait till it's fully done. Well, it's basically fully done, but it's not fully done yet. Wonder why the bottom of this look like that though. I probably need to get something for that. Oh, you see the vibes though. Chill out. Ooh. Cook that ass, Kate. I mean, cook that ass up. Wait, why can't I say it? And we just finally got chairs for right here. Damn, these don't sit a little high though.
That's a good thing.
Oh yeah, she definitely. She definitely can't jump up here. So the little dog 4, she was jumping up on the chairs that we had here. That little chair, she was jumping up, then jumping up here and all. Can't do that no more. All right, I'm about to eat. I'm starving. Yeah, cause she don't feed me. I'm starving. So, sheesh, I need an haircut too. But that dish was good. I'm tired now. So yeah, I'm gonna just start it back up whenever I go back to South Philly to get the rest of the drones, the spacer drones, so it ain't got all that space. Then we finna see how the first ride is. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know yet, but we finna see. I'm tired now. Let's go. Here, say what up, bro. Tell him what up. Tell him what up. Tell him.
Stop.
You mad? Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
Want to do the rest of these dishes?
Curve. Sheesh, it's a food. Sheesh, it's a few days later and all that. My girl heart keep crying. Oh, my fat girl. I know that fat girl. Look at her stomach. Oh, I know fat girl. But look at the C100 thing. I got the forks cut and all that. But the bolts that I had on the come on, Har. The bolts I had on the side for it are stripped, so now I gotta go to the bike shop. I'm about to go get Sayer C2 and then go to the bike shop, then come back, put them on. So I'm gonna just start it back up when I get back from the bike shop. Har, chill. So yeah, I'm sick though. I thought I was about to straight put it together and go, but nope. Let's see how they get back to the bike shop. Woo. You see that ting? Yes, Sirski is fully fixed now. It's not done yet though. The build not done at all though. Still want to change some stuff, but look at it. Oh my God. Sheesh. 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 This is on fire, right, Dan? What? That's on fire though, right? Psh, unreal. Look at this thing though. Oh my God, bro. I'm too hyped. Oh yeah, the C2 stem on there for now though. Just for now. Look at this. Let's go. I'm gonna get a sticker right here. You know, Ride Out Supply gonna hook it up. I'll probably get a whole kit. Like a whole, kit. I'm not too sure yet. Probably just get black, maybe a little outline of white or something in it to match the seat, the pegs, and all that. See the vibes. Had to put a little fresh tingle on. Yes, sir. Pegs from the C2. I basically took the C2 apart to build this. I bought another bike to build this, as I bought the Black Ops. I had to take the forks off, the handlebars, all that. But the Black Ops, I'm gonna build that joint too. I'm gonna make it like a type like a dirt jumper joint. I'm gonna put from the forks and all from that, I'm gonna put it on there. So yeah, that thing gonna be lit too. But right now I'm waiting for Sayer and all. Then we finna go ride. I don't know if I'm gonna show it. No, I'm gonna show y'all how this gonna ride. I gotta wait for them to come out though, so I can show y'all. We got Isaiah out here. We got Tweet. We got Sai. Sai finally back on his pedal bike. You back now, Sai, or you on some chilling-ish?
I'm back. I'm burning niggas up.
Oh, are you back? Tweet, you back? I'm back. Oh, you was never around, though. Zay, you back?
I was never gone.
Ooh.
Don't make me go get the dub.
Oh. Yeah, I ain't gonna cap. You need the dub.
Nah, I'm doing this.
I don't know.
Alright, with these handlebars, I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, you need the Doro back, for real. I ain't gonna cap. I think I need a beast motor Doro back too. But you see this dude thing. We finna see how this thing feel today. They just brought the air pump, just pumped our tires and all that. Look at this thing. My God. This thing. Sheesh. Big collective things outside the bike shop. Well, we had the bike shop side, about to get some new brake pads. You see the vibes. Big collective this year. I turned this right here, same exact bike, just different color, into this thing. Oh my God. I definitely gotta get used to it though. I feel a bit weird, I ain't gonna cap, but I'm gonna get used to it. It's Gucci. It's Gucci. Bro, I'm too hyped about the build though. I don't know why. That joke just... No cap, this was the first ever bike. This was definitely the first ever bike I put money into. I put like probably like 600 just in parts. No, I'm capping. No, yeah, probably like 5 some, close to 6. And then I bought the Black Ops for 200 and, well, 250 actually. So that's 850 that I basically put into this joint. But I only bought the Black Ops for the bars, the forks, and the stem. But hey, that's cool though. I'm gonna build the Black Ops too and ride it for a little bit, you know, make a couple videos on that little hoagie thing, and then hopefully I sell it. And then sell it, you know. I mean, quick flip, you know. Damn, I should never told y'all how much I got it for though. Dang, but nah, that joint was a hoagie though. I need cranks, I need everything, but I'm gonna get it right, and that thing gonna be back. You're Sai, you back? You finna show the vlog some work today, or you worming?
Worming.
You just said you was back, I'm right at. You worming, I'm all. Let's see how them brake. Who did that to the brake pads?
Lonnie.
Lawrence. Look at this thing though. Oh my God, I love you. I love you. We outside though.
Yo, no cap, man. Say everybody drop a single all one.
Oh, nah. Chill out.
All one way shit, man.
Chill out.
No bad.
You becoming a rapper?
Yeah. We gonna eat it out there.
Unreal. What?
Sorry, we be in the trap, man.
What? No, what'd he say?
They make me get a dick.
What? Damn, this y'all fire. Where the work at though? Worm. Look at that. Sai said he was finna be cutting up today, but I ain't seen nothing. I ain't seen not one thing today. But I think we about to go underground, and hopefully that's when we show some work. Huh? Oh, Sai, you gonna battle him? He gonna fry you. Chill, Sai, chill. Bro, don't do that. Bro, I ain't gonna cap my brakes. They need to be bled. Well, my brakes need to be bled. Them Jones keep like giving out and all that. Huh?
Brakes don't work.
Oh, alright. You gonna do it? I don't know. Let's see some.
First shot, shit, flip.
Hey, if you don't land this, you gonna lose. Yeah, he might not be able to do that. He might not be able to do that. He might not. Hey man, this block is terrible. Zay, remember this block up here? Unreal. Lawrence, let's see the work. Let's see what you're gonna do to me. Oh, pause. Oh, that neon joint on fire. Worm, you ain't doing ish. That's what that looking like. Oh, everybody wheeled up? including mine? Oh, they up there kind of. It's zoom terrible though, but yes, sir. Oh! 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 Keep that wheel up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh! Oh! Keep that wheel up. Don't drop. Don't drop. Off the sidewalk. Let's go. Oh! 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 I knew he was gonna pop you again. That's a bad thing, bruv. Well, he dropped again. Oh my God. Ah.
Having a flashback?
Yeah. That thing was terrible. Alright, we on the ground right now. I'm about to try to get some clips, even though my brakes keep giving out. My son's sorry about to record me. But these brakes on some weird-ish. I'm gonna just change it when I get home now. Thing's dead, bro. Dead. Bro, you ride a Harrow. Chill.
Okay. Never seen you do that before. Okay.
Oh! Brakes is dead! Unreal.
Oh.
Come out. Where? Where am I 150? Where am I 150? Let's see. Whew. I'm tired, dog. Can't. Wow. Unreal. Alright, but I'm about to be out. Gotta go get my girl. So this ended this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Go get the merch right now, link in the description. Too hyped for this build though. This jaw on the brakes is not working right now though. They're working, but they keep giving out. But right now, oh no, they're still even. I'm real. The Go fan, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the gaming channel, uncut channel, reaction channel, all them link in the description. Know the vibes, Go fan. We out.